Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to share a hotspot on iPhone. Here are the steps to share a hotspot on your iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app, tap Cellular or Mobile Data and some regions. Make sure cellular data is turned on. Tap Personal Hotspot. You may also find it directly in Settings. Turn on Allow others to join. If prompted, tap Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here, you'll see your Wi-Fi password displayed. Note it down or copy it. To change the password, tap the Wi-Fi password field and enter a new one, minimum of 8 letters or characters. On the other device, iPhone, Android, laptop, etc., open the Wi Fi settings. Look for your iPhone's network name under available Wi Fi networks. Tap your iPhone's name and enter the hotspot password you noted earlier, then tap on Connect. Once connected, you'll see a blue bar or green icon at the top of your iPhone screen showing hotspot activity. To stop sharing, return to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and toggle Allow Others to join to off. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.